If you're watching this video, I'm assuming you have a MacBook and you're wondering if it could actually stream to Twitch or YouTube or Kick or Twitch with no problems. I've been working on my little MacBook setup to stream with no hiccups or anything. And I'm pretty sure I figured it out. The perfect settings if you're using a MacBook. Now, I'm using a MacBook, MacBook 2, Apple M2 Pro chip with 16 gigs of RAM. So I'm like using an old MacBook basically compared to the MacBooks they have out today. MacBook or any MacBook can replace whatever you are using to stream. You just need the correct settings in Streamlabs. After you download it, after you download Streamlabs and you go to your settings, whatever, you click settings up here. The first thing you want to do after you log in to your Twitch account or whatever account you're using, you want to click on output. All right. I use audio track 5 as my streaming track. That means any track I have on this audio is what people are going to hear while I'm streaming. Okay. My VOD track is track 6, which means anybody that watches your VOD or when you go back and watch your VOD or try to clip things out of your VOD, the only audio that you're going to hear is whatever you have on track 6 or whatever you have this set to. I recommend track 6 because it's the last track. That means if you don't want people to hear what's going on in Discord, like somebody say something crazy in Discord and then someone go try to clip it, Discord voices won't be on the clip. If I'm listening to music, I put it on track 6. That way my VODs never get copyrighted. Because when you go back and listen to it, you might hear me singing, but you're not gonna hear the actual song. This is what's different from using a PC. Your encoder, you're going to want to use the software encoder, X264, when you're on a Mac. These M chips that come with these MacBooks are extremely powerful. They can do anything. It might be the most powerful singular piece of technology that we have when it comes to this whole technology world. Your rate control, you're going to want to put at CBR, which means control bit rate. It's going to allow you to control the bit rate. And you set it at 6,000 because Twitch won't let you go over 6,000 unless you're a partner. Now, if you're multi-streaming, you can put it up to like 10K, 20K bit rate. Twitch is still going to put it back down to 6K. Like they're only going to allow you to use 6K bit rate. But your other streaming services might allow more. Like YouTube, I can stream at 10K bitrate, no problem. I leave my keyframe interval at 2 because I have had 0 issues with these settings, okay? You can try 0 keyframe intervals, but I have had 0 issues using the software encoder on the MacBook with 2 keyframe intervals. Leave your CPU usage at very fast and make sure your profile is at high. This is for the streaming tab under output in your settings in Streamlabs. All right, that was pretty easy to explain. I mean, let's just go to Twitch real quick and so I can show you what my streams look like when I'm streaming using a Mac. Videos, recent broadcasts. Let's just see. I streamed this last night on my MacBook and look how fluid it is. I mean, this is at 1080, 60. Yeah, 1080, 60p. I mean, we're vibing, I play a lot of 2K, so that's what you would see on this channel. But yeah, this is on a 27-inch monitor and it looks like I'm watching a live stream. You know what I'm saying? At 1080p, 60 frames per second. So if you are thinking about or wondering if a MacBook can control streaming to Twitch with no problems, it can. Sub to your boy.